Hey YouTube, it's Midnight Mechanic. It's daytime, Sunday afternoon. I've got some time. The temperatures are warm, so I'm attacking the CRV one more time. Well, not one more time, but hopefully we're going to get this buttoned up today. We're going to get it running. So where we're at today, not much has changed. So I'm going to show you how to line up the timing chain. So here's the new timing chain. You can see those two gold links and how they straddle. They're adjacent on that dot and the arrow. That's on the intake cam. And then we're going to look, I'm going to try and get in here on the exhaust cam. You can see the dot right there on the exhaust cam between the two links. Now, it's not going to just line up. You're going to have to turn the gears a little bit. The back is a 14 millimeter. I got the top guide on to kind of hold the chain down the best I can. The front is a 17 millimeter. You're gonna have to turn those. And then once you get them set, you'll see these lines line up. They have to be lined up. Mine were not lined up. I could not figure out why. It was because I couldn't see the dot very well on the back. You know, I'm kind of, some of these aftermarket chains are gold. Some of them are black. The links, they color them. So this gold is a little hard for me to tell with my color blindness and the color of the light, and just things were blending together. So, and then I'm going to show you the bottom. Here's the crank side. All right, so we got the shoes on. Sorry, the guides. I call them shoes sometimes. And then you've got, this is, if I can get my light to sit still here. Position my light so you can see here. You got another gold link. That has to line up with the dot on that crank gear. You can see it right there. You see that little dot peeking through there? Now, at the same time, you've got an arrow at the top of the crank gear, and then you've got the little triangle pointing down at the top of the block. All right? You got to have everything lined up, right? Now you're ready. You can see I got the other shoe. It's kind of swung out of the way over here, but I can put that shoe in now and then put the tensioner in, pull the grenade pin. Our timing is set. Everything should, and then we're going to rotate it over a couple times. All right, we've already prepped, scraped down the block. We're going to hit it with some carb cleaner before we do any RTVing and wipe it down one more time. We've got new spark plug seals in the valve cover. We got the channel on the valve cover all cleaned out. Got the timing cover here. We got a new crank seal we put in. And we got that all scraped down, so that's ready to go back in. It was really dirty. We cleaned it up the best we could. It's not brand new, but we don't have a parts washer. We're just working with a little bit of carb cleaner and some basic hand tools here. There's nothing fancy here. Dead blow. I have a little brass bolt that I use for driving things in and out of cover so I don't gouge the aluminum. A couple flathead screwdrivers. That's it. Here's the old parts. A couple bolts there for the tensioner. And so I'm about to put the new tensioner in and we're ready to go.